Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon Mars. Subscribe for daily in-depth technical analysis. Let's get straight into the charts. If you hear the echo, I am currently on the toilet. That is great. This is my first time recording a crypto video on the toilet. So, should be exciting, my friends. It should be exciting. That's the beautiful thing. You can make money while you're on the toilet. Trading charts, and what more could you ask for? What more could you ask? All right, so this is overall market, right? We are seeing a nice. We saw a nice retracement, okay? We saw the buying pressure. We saw the buyers step in, which showed very strong buying pressure. Now today, we want to see within the next couple hours, we want to see a push higher than these $47,435 levels within the next 2 hours. All right. Let's get into Dogelon Mars. The reverb in here is immaculate, my friends. I'm going to open up the shower. Shower's opened. Oh, yeah. Boom. Look at this pressure we're seeing, right? Looking very good. Now, let's take out the fib and see where exactly we did come down to. Okay. Yeah. Boom. Swing low to swing high. This is the overall move. Now the Fibonacci level is looking a wee bit weird, simply because of this massive whale that came in and pushed it higher. So it should honestly look like this, right? This is a more accurate representation of the Fibonacci levels. This natural points of support and resistance, if you don't know what Fibonacci levels are. So we are seeing we saw a nice little retracement back down these 0.382s. Guys, look at this. Huge red candle, right? Huge red candle. Started up here, closed at the bottom. There's not even any wicks. Now, normally this is called a bearish engulfing candle, okay? Boom, right? That shows a lot of selling pressure, and normally it would continue to the downside. Boom, boom, boom. But what did we see? We saw these buyers step in, push it higher. So we want to see this daily candle close above this 50% mark on this bearish engulfing candle to the upside. The volume is tapering down. We want to see some volume also step in. That will indicate that we do have more action coming in the future, and we will have more action coming in the future. If you've been watching for the last couple weeks, we have averaged in here. We are currently just holding right now. Some of you guys even got in around these 5 levels, made 100%. Congratulations, my friends. But yeah, right now we're just kind of hanging out, chillaxing, really just watching our money rise. If you have a belief that you should think about selling right now, definitely double think on that, because we have a long ways to go. These all-time highs are right around the corner. It may seem out there, but it's not. People thought this was out there, but it's not. We reach it in a couple days. It's going to be the same thing once we start seeing some parabolic action to the upside. Very beautiful thing. I have big things coming with futures trading. Just got the live account set back up on this new computer, so I'm excited to get started with that. More on that, but there's going to be a private live chat where we're going to have the students, the people in the same Discord chat together. Is going to be private, and we're all going to have the same chart up, day trading together. So what will I do? Let's say I put a position in, all right? I see an indicator, put a position in. I'm going to say, all right, I see confirmation. I am adding in real freaking time. I'll tell you exactly what to look for. So if you're wanting to learn how to day trade, stay tuned, because no one else is doing this. This is going to be the best experience, and it will help you learn the fastest way possible, because it's a hands-on experience. It's not just a do it yourself. I'm there with you, walking you through the charts minute by minute, second by second, my friends. It's going to be super dope, and I'm very excited for that. So stay tuned, my friends. Shoot me a text at 850-376-0889 just to keep in contact. We can also hop on a call if you have any questions about anything. I love answering them. I have a student. He called me earlier. Very inspiring story, by the way. I'm not going to go into it because it's a wee bit personal, but I'm very proud of this student because he is really trying his hardest and making so much progress so fast. He's going to be making a lot of money in the future. I have a very, very good feeling about it. But we were on a call for about 40 minutes yesterday. He got the course, and he was just asking some questions to clarify if his knowledge was correct. And my man, dude, you got it going on. So that being said, join the Patreon if you need real-time buy and sell alerts. The reason I'm stuttering is I don't know if there's any spots. I believe there's one spot open right now because someone upgraded to tier. So check that out. Links in the description. This is what we're looking at, guys. It's looking very bullish. We are seeing some nice retracement action as the volume is also coming back down. And we saw a nice spike here, breaking out of this downward trend line. As you can clearly see, this bathroom is extremely hot right now. Holy crap. Hit that like button. Only Crypto Billionaire 69 will create bathroom videos for you guys. I'm literally clenching one in. Okay, I think that's a wee bit too far. Excuse my description there. So, we are indeed retracing. It's a great thing. All right. Absolutely beautiful move. We want to see us continue to push higher. Then these 11s, okay? We want to see us hold above these 11s. These are the 1 hourly candles. Within the next 3 hours, if we can push above these 11s and create this previous resistance as new support, then it will be a very, very bullish sign. And we will be moving to the upside, my friends. I will keep you guys updated on everything that's going on. Extremely excited for all of you guys that are starting to make money in the markets because we've been in a little lull here for a while now. And those of you who are really seeing some profits now and reaching out to me about how, like, this channel was the reason that they stayed in crypto. They would have sold for a loss if it wasn't for this. And now that they just simply followed my non-financial advice, my opinions, right? What I'm doing in the markets, I'm not a financial advisor. All of the things that are stated are simple opinions from a crypto billionaire, 69. But they're in a profit now. Whereas if they, didn't follow along, they would have sold. Because a lot of the other sources out there, whenever the market goes to the downside, my gosh, okay, they just go along. They're only there for the views, okay? So whatever gets views, they'll post. And whenever the market is down, the more negative, the better. The more clicks it will get. But I'm not here for the views. I'm here for the real, actual price action and the real information that is plotted on the charts day to day, okay? I might give a prediction here and there, but I really just trade by what is seen. I trade by what is here, okay? So there's nothing left for assumption. It is simply what is here, okay? It's facts. There's a lot of news out there, and a lot of these media companies are really just trying to distract you. And pretty much, if they're saying, "Oh my gosh, the market is at a dip, and it's non-recoverable," which we have seen multiple times, then that's how you know it's reaching a low, okay? And you should be averaging more in. And at a high, they'll be like, "The markets are going up crazy. What can ever stop it?" Right? It's a really cool thing. And you'll learn that over time. That took me years and years of just simply watching the markets every single day to understand that emotional aspect. And that's just one of many things that I teach. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, my friends. If you are not new here and you've been watching the channel and you want to get more information, or if you simply want to have the information compact all down and you want to invest in the long term, check out the course. It is in the description. And my friends, I'm excited, very excited for the future. We have great things coming, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire in the bathroom 69, checking out. Boom.